Have you ever felt unsure about Brazilian waxing? You're not alone. Many consider it just hair removal, but it can be so much more. Brazilian waxing isn't just about removing hair. It can empower you in ways you may not expect. Let's explore how this simple beauty choice can enhance your self-care routine. First, let's talk about finding the right professional. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Ensure they are certified and experienced. Managing discomfort is key. Focus on your breathing, this helps relax your body. Next, after the wax, follow essential post-care. Moisturize your skin to soothe it. Avoid tight clothing for comfort. Hydration is crucial, drink plenty of water. When your skin feels smooth, your mindset shifts too. Everyday activities become easier and more enjoyable. With each confident step, your self-esteem grows quietly yet powerfully. Consider this. Are you waxing for yourself or to meet societal standards? Brazilian waxing should always be a personal choice. Make sure it aligns with your comfort and lifestyle. Every small choice, including waxing, can improve your overall well-being. Embrace your body, celebrate your individuality, and appreciate self-care. This is the essence of true confidence. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more self-care tips. Your journey to confidence begins with one choice. Make it yours today.